Edo 2020. Edo State Police Command don rub minds with political stakeholders for Edo State on top how dem go join body do dis September 19 election wey katakata no go dey. Edo State Police Command don do meeting with political stakeholders for Edo State to take plan how dem go join body take make sure say katakata no dey for the September 19 election wey dey waka come so for the state, may e fit dey free, fair, credible and peaceful. The meeting wey shele for Imagwero Hall for Benin City on Wednesday 26 August 2020 na wetin Assistant Inspector General of Police wey dey in charge of Zone 5 headquarters for Benin City, AIG Paul Diba Yakadi, and Edo State Commissioner of Police Johnson Kokumo join body organize. Edo State Comptroller General of Immigration, some inaugures for Edo land, INEC officials, ogbonge PDP and APC chieftains with other big stakeholders for Edo State come join body follow dem do the meeting. For the opening speech wey Assistant Inspector General of Police wey dey in charge of Zone 5 for Benin City, AIG Paul Diba Yakadi give, e tok say the rate wey bad things take dey shele during election time for Naija dey fear person for body. And na dis one come make am dey very important, say make dem wey be police quick begin plan how dem go join body take handle the election kwata.
Please, for the interest of peace, to avoid violence in this our election, disassociate with partisan politics. This goes to our leaders, our community and religious leaders. Inter-religious forum to be on board where religious leaders should freely discuss issues affecting them and their followers. Enlightenment campaign through town hall meetings to warn our youths to avoid violence in this election.
Iyan say Edo State Police Command don ready gidigba to do everything wey dem fit do to take make sure say the governorship election wey dey waka come so for the state go sweet well. Come be waiting other states for Nigeria go dey look take do their own election.
Police and other security agencies are usually tasked for peaceful conduct of election, but peace cannot be achieved without the active collaboration and synergy with other stakeholders like you. Hence, today we invited you to share our common thoughts about the election in Edo State. We are here today to ask other stakeholders, like our royal fathers, and people like you, the religious leaders, to help us propagate violence-free election in Edo State.
Edo State Commissioner of Police Johnson Kokumo wey give the welcome address Konyan say this meeting na the product of ogbonge consultation wey e don do with the management of the police force to take strategize on top better plans wey go make the September 19 election wey go soon shele so for Edo State sweet everybody for belle so take other states for Naija go dey envy am.
The management of the force had identified this moment as so critical and essential for this program. I welcome you all to this occasion, an occasion I believe we are all here to benefit immensely from.
Some of the political stakeholders wey come yarn how body dey do them on top the September 19 election wey go soon shele for the state. As dem talk say na only peace dem dey after for this election and dem go surely get am make Edo people fit dey safe and sound before, during and after the election.
I know there are two political parties competing, major political parties competing this election. And I'm saying somebody who is saying is representing one of the parties. I think the parties people are trying to refer to as parties of lions and tigers. He is saying he's representing them, but he has no direct link with the chairman, the so-called personal chairman of that. And those are the ones presenting candidates. I know you can't invite everybody because of social gatherings, distancing and all that. But it's information matter. They are the ones who are liaising with the candidates of that party. Their own faction, they should have been brought here too, so that they listen and pass the information to themselves. Please, everybody's talking of lions and tigers.
Over the years, we have discovered that tension normally starts rising when materials are not there, the personnel are not there, the candidates not working. People who
grassroots. It is very, very important.
But let me also state here, sir, that while we are doing our best to ensure that we sensitize our youth against electoral violence, we also have our leaders, our politicians, our parents who also instigate youth, going into electoral violence.
Everybody don't listen to what the AIG said. The thing we talk, in fact, we should be able to digest it very well, make we look at it very well, and then make use of it. No need for this violence when we carry about.
This one are the ogbonge informate wey we don carry come give una on top Inside Edo today. As Edo State Police Command don rub minds with political stakeholders for Edo State on top how dem go join body do this September 19 election wey katakata no go dey. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come sama una, and my name na Oiza Aboriogun.